Mastering Everyday English. The art of cutting slits on top. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, understanding the phrase, cutting slits on top. This expression might seem simple, but it's packed with meaning and usage in various contexts. Let's explore together how this phrase can be applied in everyday English, ensuring you can use it confidently in your conversations and writing. At its core, cutting slits on top refers to making long, narrow cuts or openings on the upper surface of something. This action can be applied in multiple scenarios, from cooking to crafting. The key components here are cutting, which means to penetrate with a sharp instrument, and slits, which are long, narrow openings. Combining these with on top specifies the location of these cuts. Cooking. In cooking, cutting slits on top is a technique often used to allow steam to escape, prevent the inside from bursting, or create a decorative pattern. For example, slitting the top of a pie crust before baking. Crafting. In crafting, making slits can be part of the design process, such as creating an opening for parts to interlock or for decorative purposes. Everyday use. Outside of these specific activities, the phrase can be metaphorically applied to indicate making small adjustments or openings in any process or project to improve functionality or appearance. In cooking, remember to cut slits on top of the bread dough before putting it into the oven. In crafting, I'm cutting slits on top of the lantern to let the light shine through more effectively. Metaphorical use. By cutting slits on top of the existing schedule, we can create room for more leisure activities. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, cutting slits on top. Whether you're a budding chef, a craft enthusiast, or just someone looking to expand your English vocabulary, we hope this video has shed light on this versatile expression. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to cut your own slits in the fabric of language learning to make your journey more exciting and personalized. See you in the next video.